Damn. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
So we are on our way to view a property, and this property is in Mermaid waters, and it has got a riverfront. It's about 20 meters riverfront, which is nice because Ash was like, I need to put
I'm gonna put my boat. There's two properties we're viewing today, isn't it?
There's two properties. This is the first one we're going to view. We're about 5 minutes late already.
No, 8.
8 minutes late. Oh god. And then we've got another viewing about 20 minutes later, so I don't know how we're going to make it in time.
But I figured, like, with houses, you need to view them multiple times, right?
Yeah,
you can't just view them the one time. This is just like a previewing. A preview.
Preview, there you go.
Oh.
So we're going to check it out. This one does require some renovation because it looks like it's an old person's house that hasn't renovated since it was born.
I put my foot down. No renovations in the first year.
Yes, Ash says we have to pay back the mortgage before we can renovate it, which is going to take us 30 years. But we will still eventually renovate it. At least we can paint it, at least.
And for some reason, we're taking these viewings during coronavirus city.
Yeah, but coronavirus has calmed down now.
Yeah, but we don't know what's going to happen to the house prices.
Damn. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
The nice thing about it is the riverfront, the river, it's like not directly, because a lot of these houses, the river is, your pontoon of your boat is right in front of your neighbours.
Yeah,
but this one has got an open field of view straight down the river.
But there's still houses angling in, looking at you.
We'll see what it looks like, we'll see. Yeah, I think I had it. So we just finished our first viewing at this house. Now, I think on the pictures online, it doesn't seem as requiring development as it did in real life, so that was interesting. It needs quite a fair bit of work, quite a bit of injection of cash and painting. Yeah, probably.
It's just cleaning and painting.
The bedrooms are kind of small though, aren't they? Did you find the bedrooms are a bit small?
It just seems right to me. Like this stuff just require cleaning.
I think so. I think you just paint it all, isn't it?
Get like a new door.
Yeah, I reckon you just have to paint it all.
Just get rid of the cobwebs.
It needs a lot of work, and you know, you probably could do it. You just do it one room at a time. Just do one room at a time, one room at a time. I think if I was to change it, I'd make it like a bit more aesthetically cleaner, and I'd make everything white. But the good thing about this place is that it's only about half an hour walk to the major mall, and it's only about a 10-minute walk to like the local shop. So, and you've got waterfront, and it's a fresh waterfront, and you've got fish in the sea, so it's definitely fresh water.
I think all it needs is a lick of paint and a bit of love. Get rid of the cobwebs. Get rid of the rust.
I think it'd be a fun project. Don't get me wrong, it'd be fun. It would just be very tiring, but it looks nice.
It's as good as it is.
No, I can't live there.
Just wash it, clean it.
Yeah, it needs a good old scrub, and the carpets need ripping out and stuff. It does. No, it does. I can't live there. The carpets are filthy.
Alright, let's compare it with this place.
Anyways, we'll see what
this place is 1.4.
1.4, but it is like souped up. But it's not next to anything. That's the other thing. So.
This place is only 150k more expensive.
Damn. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
This one is the only one. How much would it cost to make a bathroom like this?
Let's say 20. I don't know.
Oh, okay, cool.
Maybe 20 grand.
Yeah, this. We've got 2 toilets. Actually, they only got one
So
toilet.
this is a bathroom, not a toilet.
It's so you can separate it out. It's so when you finish going to the toilet, you don't have to wash your hands.
Was there not a sink in there? There must have been a sink.
Hey, Liverpool. Yeah, I bet the TV something.
Yeah, it looks cute. It looks good. So you've got the master bedroom there, then you've got this corridor, then you've got bedroom 1, 2, toilet, another bathroom, bedroom 3, and towels, and then you've got the stairs. Alright, so that is the second one completed. Now, that one, oh, he did say to me actually that the person, it was actually under offer before, but the guy who had it under offer lost his job because of coronavirus, and he said he's going to get his job back in 4 weeks' time, but he's not able to commit to buying the house anymore. That's why they put it back on the market apparently. In terms of the house, yeah, it's nice. It's done up. Like, I think it still needs a little bit of something just to kind of freshen it up, perhaps. Like the carpet perhaps needs replacing. Maybe I'm obsessed with carpets, I'm not sure. Ew. It's definitely done up. It didn't feel as spacious on the outside as the first one though. Did you feel that way? From the river perspective?
The river perspective is smaller because it's only 10 metre of waterfront, whereas the other place is 20 metres.
20 metres. You could definitely feel that for sure.
It felt nice to me. I think for me, the entrance was small.
Yeah, it felt
the staircase
small.
right in your face, with the other one, it's wider entrance.
Yeah, it felt a bit more grand.
It did have newer toilets. That's all they did. They redid the toilets. But you can do the toilets in the other place.
Yeah, you
but
can.
what it didn't have that I didn't like is pylons right in front of you in the view.
It did. When I went upstairs, I could see the neighbours, I could hear the generator, I could see them. I physically could see the lady with her kid. Like, I don't want to see neighbours. Whereas the other place, I didn't feel it so much. So, you know, I fell in love with it online, but I actually don't like it anymore.
Don't know why we're rambling, but I hope you guys enjoyed that.
Damn.